If this strategy is not going to be making you good amount of money, ensure that you come back and dislike this video. Check out this. So this strategy just involves the breakout and retest strategy, of which we are going to be combining different strategies here. We have high CT, price action, and all that to make sure that it is most effective. This is friendly for everyone, beginners and everyone, but it's just very easy for you to navigate. One thing that you can notice here, I'm in 3-hour time frame, and how to change this, you can just come here and then change this on the trending view. So that is the step number one. So the next step is to identify the demand or supply zone on your chart. And for instance, you can see this is a very interesting, the key area of interest where the market has been coming to this region and testing this zone several times, as you can see around that area. So you can see this testing point here, and we have another one here, and we also have another one here, and another one here. All right, and also this something that is coming up here. So this area becomes so significant when it comes now to the trading, because you can see it is becoming a very good demand zone. When the prices drop, that people place more buys to their zone. All right, I don't want to put a lot of things like volumes so that we can see what the interest, how the volume is at that region. I want to make it simple as possible. All right, now this region that you can see around that area is becoming so interesting, and that means that anytime, and you can see this market has been moving so down and is struggling to break the zone. So let's see what happens after sometimes of this market, so that I can just show you how you trend on this market right here, because there are some people who will be buying at this zone. All right, there are some people who can really buy at that zone, but you can see that are very bad news that really happened to you here, because you can see this very big breakout that happened to this market here. Now there are some people who will be considering now maybe to be buying, because they have seen this big candle that is actually going to be happening right over here. All right, which is very okay. But remember, one thing that is actually going to be happening right here is, you can see, of course, we have another where the price was coming to this region around that area. You can consider buying, but that is not the right time to buy. There's what we call now the breakout. Already we got something that is called the breakout. The breakout has already happened. Now the next thing that we're actually going to be dealing with here now is the retest that is actually going to be waiting to see it is going to be happening. But before that, you can actually trend the ICT by using this one. So you can see this big candle that has price that actually dropped right over here on the Euro USD from 1.048 all the way to 1.03. That's crazy. So we can actually identify to see how much is this by going to these candles and selecting the volume candle. So this is going to be giving us the clues on these candles, on the amount of volume that has been placed to these candles. And you can see there's a very big volume that has actually happened here for the sell, and so many people have entered a sell. So you can see anytime we have these big candles for the sell, it's actually happening around that area. They are always occurring a very big sell. All right, I hope you are following on this. Now, the next step that you see this market doing is this market moves like that and like this. So the moment you identify, first of all, the moment you identify there is this candle that is actually going to be around that area. For example, this, the first red candle after this, but this is confirmed by this, because you can see this market was already coming to test this support. Although this is the week, the market would also trying to come and test this region again. So the first thing that you can actually trade here, which is so amazing, is now this one. So the market can do two things here. This market can do two things here. All right, observe this. This market can come and fill this gap that you have seen here. So we have the fair value gap that has been created across that area here, F fair value FVG that has been created here. And remember, this value gap, for it to be filled, we need to put this indicator that is called, let's put and see, okay, the retracement. right? It's outro. So we can put that retracement, and let's see where the market is going to be retracing from. So if you're going to be buying, remember you're going to be either buying this market, all right? You're going to be buying from this zone here where you have identified the market has started doing what? And building the first candle that you have seen there, and then you can just go all the way to 0.5, which is this price that you can see around this zone that you see here. So this is a different multiple way of trading. So you can go up to this way, or this can be your TP that is actually going to be happening around that area. Now, remember, this is capturing the moment. This is just, you capture the pips. You don't want really to miss these pips that are going to be happening here, because the market is going to really cover this. All right. So you cover all the way to this. But remember, this market, when it comes to that area now, it can start dropping all the way down again. Or this market now, what it can do, this market can actually come all the way to that position. All right, it can come all the way to this region here, and now this will not be now valuing up filling. All right, it will be now breakout and raise test. All right, because now it is testing this region again. But in any of these cases, this market is actually going to be coming back, considering that we have an ICT, the gap that has been created here. This market is going to bull all the way here. So your target number one is going to be what? Is going to be 50% retracement that is going to be happening from this region here, of which is actually going to be this region that you see here, where I've placed my TP across that area. Let me color this so well so that we can see 8. Now, I'm going to be existing from 0.5 around this area. So let's see what the market will be doing. All right. Yeah. So now you can see the market has touched how much? 0.5, exactly 0.5 around that region. But what I mean here is that this market can really come to this position that you see here, that is to come and test this support zone again. And if this market now comes to this position again, then you'll be considering to sell from that point. But this is now another opportunity for you now to sell. Let me show you how you come and sell to this region in case that market comes all the way. So now this is where we start now. All right, how to identify this. Okay, now if you bought from that region and you have sold all the way to, remember the market has just reversed here. This is 0.5 of it, this is 50% of and you can see actually it has filled almost this gap, 50% of retracement. And something amazing right here, if this market keeps moving all this way, now you'll be considering now to start selling from this zone. All right. Now, if maybe you are planning to have, let me draw something here. If you are planning to, let me get a pen. If you are planning to like buy, let's say with a 0.5 lot, all right, 0.5 lot, that is what we are planning to sell, then you can divide it in, let's say, even 5 times. Buy, you sell across 5.5%, and then you come again and you sell, you can sell here at 70, and also you can sell around that is zone here. So you can find it even 5 times. You keep selling. All this one is called the inward, that is entering just small pips here. You have entered 50, 0.1 here, we have entered another 0.1 here, 0.1 here, until when this market comes here. Because when this market comes around this area, it has now to continue moving all the way. But in case this market starts selling from after covering the 50% of retracement, then this market can come all the way down. At least you have one lot that you actually have entered across that area. So that is the way I normally use this is to trend. Unlike maybe we get a high volume of maybe this candle. You see, there's a difference between let me show you. There's difference between this one and this one. All right, so when we see a very big candle that is actually have full body, it means that this market is really determined, the sellers are still in control, and this market will continue moving all the way down. But when we see this is when the market was actually triggered maybe by the news, or maybe people entered, or maybe there is a lot of limit orders that were placed across that area, around this area here. So many people can put and buy limit orders that across this area, that when this market is pushed towards this region here, it triggers those orders, and then boom, the market continues to move all the way up. All right, now that is where we can trend all the way now to identify that zone. Now let's see how this market will be moving, because from there now we expect this market to continue on the downward move, that is continues to move down and do other crazy things, that is continues to move all the way like that. So you can see also this now becomes another opportunity, because now this market, you can see after sometimes is just trying to come and test this region around this area, that is called the retest, before now it continues to move down. So let's see how it will be doing this maybe after some times. Okay, and if maybe it was a very nice opportunity for us now to okay, now look at that. And look at that, look at this, look at this, look at this. This market now trying always to come to this region here. So when we expand this, we can see this market, this region was all the way. Before it continue to move down, it to come all the way to retest this region, as you can see here. So the retest and filling of the gaps becomes hand in hand, and that is the time now you see the volume again becoming so big. You can see this big candle here that is very huge, because this is the difference between the candles that I have selected and the volume candles. It's because these volume candles, they become very huge and very fat when they're actually showing you that there's a high amount of volume that has been placed, and that is what you see. So after that testing of this point again, this point becomes key of interest. So when you trade one pair, you don't just leave it just like that. What you just do is follow up with that strategy and see how it happens. Look at this again. When this market saw some big here, what really happened is, you can see again there was filling of the gap, and it filled up to 60, around 0.60%, 61%, this zone again, and the market continued to move down. We saw another big candle here. This market was filled here, and there's possibility that we can get this market again being filled across this region here, as you can see. And yeah, so that is definitely the very easy way to trend this market. You can be focusing on the filling of the gaps and retest strategy, as now you plan and know how you just enter into these positions, so that you can maximize the amount of money that you're going to be making into this market. I know I have shared a lot of knowledge across that area, but I know you're going to be utilizing this. If you really want us to go in depth of this by combining different volume profiles and clusters to make this strategy to work even more, comment down one below. Until next time, make sure that you subscribe, like, and share. This is Dan Tech. Bye bye.